Let's tear this thing apart. Okay guys, well the time has come for this thing to come apart. First thing we want to do is make sure this thing's top dead center. So what I'm going to do here is pull this wheel off and hope that there's not plastic. There is. So we're going to have to take this plastic off, take this wheel off, and then if you look right here, that is where we need to be. We're going to get a size 14, or I think sometimes it's a 16. I'm not sure honestly on the size. But we're going to pull this wheel off, get this thing top dead center, and then we can start taking this thing apart. All right. So, slide our jack underneath here, like so. You want to find your pinch well. You don't want to crush shit. Okay. There we go. Let's go uppies. Yeah. All right, we're uppies. Let's check this out first. Oh. Oh.
That's not bad.
That's not bad at all, dude.
While he's working on that, I'm gonna pull spark plug out.
I need a 19.
Number 1 cylinder. Get it top dead center. I usually just put like an extension on in there and wait till it comes up to the highest point on the compression stroke. On the compression stroke, it's how you have the top dead center. We got to do that because we got to take off the Tommy belt. Probably have to pull the camshaft and everything out to get the head off to have it shaved, but I'm not 100% sure on that. So I got a really long 1/4 inch extension, put it down in there, and then when he finally gets this wheel off, I'll turn the motor over. When it comes all the way up, when I wear at top dead center.
All right, so wheels off. If you look here, that's where we need to go. And I didn't have to take the plastic off either. That's always nice.
All right, so we've got the 1/4 inch extension in there. He's gonna turn it.
Yeah.
You see it's moving down. Now what we want to see is that come all the way up to the highest point. Okay, go slow.
Right there, I just felt it.
Keep going. Move it just a little bit.
You suck. Hold up. No,
Yep.
I was right.
That's it.
You little shitbag.
Okay, after some research, this is all the way up. Cam gear, it says up right here. It's got 2 lines that are horizontal. Then it'd be even with the cylinder head. And it's got a little notch in the crank that's facing straight down. So we're at top dead center and we can start taking everything apart.
There's a bird up there.
Yeah. You like birds, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite bird? What's your favorite kind of bird? Does it smell like blowing a gasket?
Smells like deer. Okay guys, now you gotta take the intake and exhaust off. So this bad boy's gotta come off, this thing's gotta come off, and then we gotta get the little doodads around it, like the harness here, some shit here, our heater whore. We gotta get our top radiator hose off. We don't have to drain the coolant. I was talking about this yesterday. I'm a stupid dumb idiot and I don't know anything about anything, and I should probably not do this ever. But yeah, we don't have to drain the coolant. All we gotta do is take the top hose off and we'll be able to get to everything else. So it should be pretty easy. Of course, we're gonna have to like pop fuel line. This is connected to the firewall, vacuum hose, a bunch of other stuff that's in here that we gotta look at. A lot of harness, honestly. There's a lot of stuff in here. It's like just annoying little tiny things that you have to get so you can pull his head off. So we're gonna do that real quick.
So we're gonna get the headers off first. Hopefully it's not gonna be too big of a pain, but I mean, you never know, they get hot. Oh, look at that.
Probably because
That's pretty nice.
it looks like a pretty new
That's pretty nice.
cylinder head. You know what I'm saying? Like it looks pretty new. Looks like someone has been under here recently and screwed some shit up.
Shut the fuck up, dude.
Oh, no!
Don't do it.
Fucking shit, dude. Oh, dude, you got scrabblies all over my stick. So now you can just...
Wait, let's... probably. Oh yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, because that's all you gotta do.
Look at this gasket, dude. That's brand new.
That's brand new. Somebody has been in here, guys.
You could probably reuse this.
Yeah, we going to. Well,
dude, that thing is like brand new.
yeah, we're going to reuse that for sure.
That worries me about this head a lot. Like none of this is good. I'd rather just be old and tired, you know, and need a new little gasket, not brand new. Oh no, the hidden bolt of pain and despair.
Where?
Right there.
Holy shit. What the fuck is that? Look at the placement on that bolt, guys. That's going to be fun to take off. I've never had a 90s Honda with power steering, so this is new to me. I've always had no power steering, no AC. This is all getting deleted anyway for big turbo, but, you know, it sucks to see this go because it's like a rare commodity, something you don't see often in these cars. So it's
you're just deleting it, right?
Yeah, I'm straight up just getting rid of it.
So what we could do is just take the belt off.
Just cut the belt.
Well, yeah, we could cut. I mean, if that's what you want to do.
Just cut the belt.
Oh yeah.
That was a good shot.
You like that?
Yeah. So belt is off. We are deleting the power steering and the AC.
So power steering and AC are both going.
Yeah. Just do what you gotta do, man.
I was wondering, the AC's on the way, but
Man, I freaking love free labor. There's nothing better than free labor, dude. I'm not paying this guy a dime, and he's doing all the work for me. I told him, I said...
That's just because he doesn't know how to do it.
That's fucking bullshit, and I'll destroy you.
Do you think that's gonna stay?
Holy shit. You are a genius. Oh, fucking lawnmower. Huh? Nothing, dude. I'm an ass. What was that? What did you just throw in our pile?
Bolts.
Dude, really? What was that?
Bolts.
Yeah, we need it. You can't just throw.
Okay, so we got the header off. We've got the power steering off. We cut the power steering hoses because the guy that owns this car is not very smart. But that's okay. We got the distributor off. We got coolant hoses off. Next up, I'd say we just work on all these little things on the side. The intake, fuel rail. My bad. And then and then we take the head off.
Yeah, I'll take the valve cover off and take the head bolts off. Yep. Now I am going to take this head off with the intake. It's a little bit easier because I don't like having to put all that back on, and I don't have to buy an intake gasket, which is really nice. So that is the plan.
We'll probably have to take it off when you have it shaved, though.
I forgot that we're shaving.
If you buy a head gasket kit, though, it should come with everything.
God, I just fucking really don't want to.
Well, take it off.
I just don't want to do it. I just don't want to do it, but I'll do it anyway. We'll start with this. One thing I really hate about Hondas and Toyotas too. The connector clips suck on these things. It's the worst. No, I take that back. BMW's worst, but these are like number 3 on the list of things that I hate. God damn it, get the fuck off. Alright, so we did a few things off camera. 1, because the camera died, and 2, because this is really annoying. But we got all the hoses off. Everything but this fuel line is off. And then we're gonna take this valve cover off. You already got the bolts unloosened, or loosened. So we took the fuel pressure regulator off. So in theory, this should not spew gasoline everywhere, which it won't, because we got this fancy doodad right here, our fuel pressure gauge, and it's saying we have 0 psi of fuel. So we're gonna go ahead and take this bad boy off.
Oh,
it
it's
is
a 22.
A 22.
Very good.
Can you guys say it with us? What is that number? That is a 22. Oh my goodness, fuel everywhere. The amount of fluid that is coming out of this car, power steering fluid.
You'll probably have to get a new crush washer.
That'll come with the kit. Whenever I buy it. I haven't even bought the head gasket kit yet. I'm not gonna lie.
Should probably get on that. Oh, God.
Dude.
It looks like it's going to be a headache to take apart and put back together.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I've never done a single cam. So.
Oh, no, all we gotta do on this, boom, boom, boom. We keep all this assembly together.
Do you think they'll shave it like that, though?
Yeah, they do it all the time.
I don't think so. Maybe. No, I don't think so.
Alright, so now we're gonna loosen the tensioner, take this belt off, as you can see, and she's off. Now, when we put this belt back on, we should, in theory...
Oh, look, there's an alignment mark right next to that.
Okay, well, we didn't need that. Cool. I just wasted $7.
Well, I mean, we still had to mark the belt in some way.
Yeah. It's cool.
And I like to make my own anyway. But no, that's good because it's
Yeah.
good.
Well, now we get to take the head bolts out. And then, in theory, it should come out without any of the vacuum lines on the back of this thing being attached to the intake. It should come out without having issues about vacuum lines being attached to the intake. The probability of that is pretty high, so I'm thinking that we're gonna have something that we forgot about. Dude, this looks good.
It looks fucking new. Yeah.
That's nice.
Good, because that means we're gonna throw 10 pounds of boost on this bitch and blow it up.
That's definitely the problem if someone put a Felpro on a Honda.
Yeah. Can't really tell where it's. Can't tell where it's cracked, but.
Just got done wrapping it for the most part. Just gotta do the hood now. I gotta order some more wrap for it.
Someone's been inside this motor.
Give
me that. Look here, guys. This is looking brand spanking new. I was scared to open this thing up, but I'm not scared anymore. It looks awesome. Really excited, dude. This looks great.
What's wrong, dude?
So bad news. We just pulled this head off. And deck looks good, but the head, not so much. So it's looking like we're gonna need a new head. You can't shave that out. So looks like we're gonna have to search for a head. I do want to use all this up here. It looks nice and new. Looks like someone has been in there recently. So I'm gonna reuse all this. Reuse the intake, of course. But yeah, this head ain't gonna work. So we're gonna have to find a new one. But in the meantime, I'm gonna order the gasket kit, and we'll just go from there because it looks awesome down here. I mean, someone's been in here, looks good. They did a good job on it. So yeah, I guess I'll be looking for a head on Marketplace for the next few days. Hope I can find one. It's getting a little expensive. Fuck.